But I am a laptop boy, right? I am a laptop boy. I like everything on my laptop. Yes, I love everything on my laptop. So yeah, that is all. I just showed you from my phone. I showed you I'm on my laptop, and yeah, that's how. That's how I can comment on that. See, actually, we don't have to comment on. We don't have to comment, right? We just speak. We just speak. But sometimes what happens? Somebody tells me, "Oh, we are muted." Somebody they are busy at work. I have a small. I have a small. I have a small YouTube team. I have a small YouTube team, and we have a group on Messenger. Okay, and they were the ones that really helped me a lot. Honestly, they are just about four, five of them. Okay, there's just about five of them, but believe me, they helped me a lot when I was in Canada last year. From the month of February onwards, they helped me a lot, and in 1 month, in 1 month, I got 1,000 watch hours. In 1 month, I got 1,000 watch hours. Then I was traveling after that from July onwards. From June onwards, I was traveling for 2 months. Okay, I was traveling for 2 months. So it's not their fault, but they gave me watch hours. In 2 months, I got another 1,000 hours. So in the month of May last year, I reached 3,000 watch hours. It was 2,000. I reached 3,000 watch hours in 1 month because they really were on my channel and watching my live replays. My replays. They were watching my live replays. I told them only watch the live replay. Don't worry about videos and shots. Not shots at all, but don't worry about my videos, just replay my live stream. So they were also replaying my live stream. And in Canada, they encouraged me to go silent live. I never knew what it was silent live, but they said go silent live. So while I was sleeping in at night, I was sleeping in Canada. They were all awake in the morning, right? They were all awake in the morning. So they all, and most of them from Philippines. So they were all on my channel. They used to talk, and I have a guy from US. I have a guy from US. So sometimes he used to be working on the night duty. So when he was on night duty, he used to log in from his work. He's a supervisor. So when he was in the office, he used to log in, and then he used to start different games. He got them interested in various games, and then they would all respond with the games, and they would play online. On my live stream, they would play different games and guessing games, and all those kind of things. And they would keep my live stream going till I got up in the morning. Or if I got up in the night for a pee break, they would, I would just comment and then go back to sleep. And yeah, I used to see they were, but morning I would read through, I would read through all the comments and I would see how much they had interacted and commented on my live stream. They just four or five. I do not have many outsiders. So four or five, but they gave me 1,000 watch hours. And then from June and July, they gave me another 1,000 hours. Yeah, something like that. Another 2 months, and I reached 4,000 watch hours. So my team. So my team is really good. So what I have to do now, just 1 minute. I have to give them the link on my messenger group so they can come and join me. But I can on YouTube. You can only allow one person at a time. If you do StreamYard, if you have any other platform like StreamYard or anything else, StreamYard you can get up to 8 people at one time. Up to 8 people at one time you can get. But here, here on YouTube you can only get one person at a time. So let me just copy the link and send it on my messenger group. Okay, 1 second. Because there is one person from Elegant City who always comes. She always comes and co-hosts with me. She is the principal of the school. She's the principal of a school, and she always comes and comments on me. So just 1 minute. Let me. Where is my group? Okay, you want to ask me anything about YouTube? You want some. Do you want some more information, Ellen, about the moderator thing? I can explain it to you. About the moderator, I can explain to you. Also on your YouTube, you can change the background just like I have done. You can change the background when you're doing live. You can have a green background or you can choose any of your video and put it as a background.